it's so great to see you. I got the pink bag. Ipsy. This runs $10 a month. It's plus tax, so I paid $10.70. 5 sample sizes. Usually one of them's a full size. So this is the bag for the month of March. I love the gold bag with the blue zipper. Yes, Ipsy. I like the bag. It's pretty sturdy. It's nice and gold. I was actually hoping for green this month. It is Women's History Month, so I'm okay with this too. You usually get a card included. It's National Women's History Month. So this month it's all female founded brands included. So it doesn't actually say what's included in the bag, but I did look it up online so I can give you guys prices, because I always like to know what each individual thing costs, just to make sure it's worth me spending the money on the bag itself. First thing right off the bat, it's a Cake Beauty Milkmaid Velveteen Hand Cream. Ooh, it's candied oat milk cream, dry skin soothing and beautifying. Oh, marshmallow root. Marshmallow is a plant? What? And the full size of this runs $5.99. I gotta say, it smells awesome. And it's a hand cream, so basically just for moisturizing. That's a yes. It's sold out online for good reason. It's pretty decent stuff. Next in the bag, we got a brush, Chique Blush Brush. And it's rose gold. I feel like rose gold is the color this month. I'll put a little dotty up there. That over there. So this is the brush. It's really soft, I gotta say. This runs $3.20, which is really decent pricing. I have a base on. I put on some light eyeshadow. If you're curious about this eyeshadow look, I'll put a little dotty up here as to which box I opened up to get this look. Lord and Berry. And this is a Valetu. I don't know how to pronounce that. Valetu eye pencil in the color Supreme Green. Now this is the trial size. I looked online and the full size actually has a sponge applicator at the bottom so you can blend out the eye look. Well, that looks green. So these are my eyes before. After, it is green. I'm so used to using liquid eyeliners. This is a little bit of a, I don't want to say a letdown because it did its job. It was easier putting this on my waterline than it was on my top eyelid. It did top and bottom so you guys could see. And if you do end up getting this, the full size of this runs $22. I got a Tarte Man-Eater Mascara. I love how it looks. It's like so cute and purple. Now this claims to be the ultimate mascara to get every little hair that you're missing. And I can tell you, I've had some issues with my bottom lashes because they're so fine. Very few mascaras actually get them. I'll put a dot up there for where I found something that actually works. But this is the wand. The bristles are pretty fine, so I'm assuming it is gonna work. And this is the trial size. And if you actually end up getting this, I found that you can get the trial size for $12. Full size, I'm pretty sure it's like $22, $23. So I put on the Tarte Man-Eater Mascara. And I gotta tell you, I am impressed. My lower lashes are so fine. Most of the mascaras I try miss them. But this like got every little hair. Look at that. There's only one other mascara that I tried that came close, but I'm blown away. Tarte, good job. Yes, Tarte. Yes, Ipsy. Thank you. Yes, yes. Okay, so last on the list, I have a Ciate London, and this is a lip luster. It's a mini lip luster, and it's in the color Kiss Me. And the full size of this runs $8.50. Smells like a lip gloss. Yeah. I'm happy with it. It's a lip gloss. It's a little sheen of pink. Alright, so that was everything in my Ipsy bag. I think it was awesome. So if you're interested in subscribing to them, I'll put a link down below. As you can see behind me, I still have a lot more boxes to open up. So if you like what you've seen so far, hit that like button. If you want to see more of me, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.